Project Buddy Bid 142 Diablo Court rough plumbing. Okay, the main water line comes into the house in the front. Walk inside the house now. Okay, main water line coming in. We're going to bring it up with PEX to the roof and then service the rest of the house. We've got one kitchen, one laundry room, 2 bathrooms. Let's go into the kitchen. We're going to service the sink and a dishwasher here. Water line for a refrigerator here. This is the laundry room. We're going to service washer and dryer here. Let's go to the 2 bathrooms. Okay, first bathroom, main bathroom, service the shower, toilet, vanity sink. Second bathroom shares a wall, service a toilet, vanity sink, and a shower. We're using PEX tubing throughout. 3/4 main line going to the hot water heater, 3/4 going to all the ups and outs, and then 1/2 inch going directly to all the appliances. Pretty simple.